Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the watch history section on your account on DramaWave easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the home page. So as you see here, you will find the profile down below here, and here as you see you will find the watch history. Click on it. Now as you see here, you will find all your watch history here, and you can discover more. And that's it. That's how to find the watch history on your account on DramaWave easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.